Kyler. What? Tell me. Kyler. A giggly. A giggly. You telling them a story? Yeah. Hey, yeah. Oh. Where you going? Oh, you resting? Getting tired? Kyler. 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 Where's your brother Luke? Where's your brother Luke? Yeah, you love Luke. Luke, Kyler's looking. Yeah. Luke, my brother Luke. My brother Luke. My brother. Are you singing a song? Are you singing a song to the bear? Yeah. What, honey? Yes, that's the radiator. That's where the heat comes out of. Makes the room warm. Oh, that's a pretty good trick there, Kyler. Boom. 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 Hey, you. Oh, you got a cough? You got a cough? You got a cough? I don't know. What happened to the truck, Kyler? What happened? Oh, look up and see.
What happened?
Oh, it fell apart. We'll have to fix it. Okay, give me a second. Okay, Kyler, sit back. Say bye-bye. Gotta fix the truck. See you later, guys. Bye-bye.